guys, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by to check out my video. Okay, so today I'm a little excited because I am opening my very first Ipsy Glam Plus. I believe that's the name of this new extended Ipsy bag, but it's in a box because you get more stuff. So yeah, my Ipsy Glam bag, Glam box, Glamalicious products, okay? So this is my first one. I decided to go ahead and try it out for this month and see how I feel about it, how I like it. Now, normally for my Ipsy bag, of course, I pay $10.88 a month. But this month, you know, I was just scrolling through my bank account because, you know, I got to stay on top of that with all of the purchases that I occasionally make. And I was like, Ipsy, $27? Hold up, okay? I was like about to just have a fit because I'm like, Ipsy done overcharged me for something. I forgot I signed up for the glam bag. But when I think about it, I'm like, $27? Okay, this thing must be bomb because, or it better be bomb. Because I paid $21 for my BoxyCharm, and y'all know I love me some BoxyCharm. So, me paying an extra $6, I'm like, wait a minute. Okay, this mug better be good. So, anyway, enough of that. Let me go ahead and jump right on in. So, like I said, it comes in this beautiful pink little box, you guys. Super duper cute. And when you open it up, similar to Boxy, it has this little protective foam. And there is a card in here with my product information. So let me just check this card out. It's very cute. Okay, it says, hey Ipster. Okay, and it does list all of the products that I'm getting in my box. And it's a nice little card. It folds out and everything. I know you guys are getting a little spoiler right there. Seeing what I got, but yeah, so this is cute. I like this a lot because I really like that about BoxyCharm, how you get the information on the products, the pricing, all that good stuff. So I'm really liking that about the Ipsy Glam Plus. Okay, so let's just jump right in, you guys. The first item I'm going to pull out of here is in this little box, and so I'm assuming it's a little palette. It says Male Sun-Kissed Bronzer. Okay, y'all know. Basic gray box. Let me open this up. And as it says, it is a bronzer. I just got a bronzer in my BoxyCharm now that I think about it. I got that Pretty Vulgar bronzer. So I guess I'm going to be ready for summertime for real. This is pretty. You see all my fingerprints on there already? That I don't like, but this beautiful silver packaging is really cute. That's really cute. Okay, let me open it. Oh, this is pretty. Look, there's a mirror in here. Of course, I don't want to blind you, but look at the design on this bronzer. Isn't that pretty? Now, I don't know if any of this is going to be dark enough to bronze me, but it's gorgeous and it's kind of shimmery. So, you know, I'm not really into shimmery bronzers that much because I really don't like stuff shimming on my face. And I don't like a lot of different colors so close together just because of the fact that it's kind of hard if you want to use a larger brush to just get one color out. So I'm not really happy about that aspect of it, but as far as the design and how gorgeous it is very pretty. Very pretty. Like I said, I don't know if this is going to do anything for me because it looks pretty light, but I definitely can use it as a highlighter, I believe, of some sort. So, very pretty. Okay, enough yapping, Camille. Okay, so it says Male Beauty, M-A-E-L-L-E. Not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but M-A-E-L-L-E Beauty Sun-Kissed Bronzer Palette. Value $32. This gorgeous compact does way more than just dress up your vanity. It gives you the look of a natural, healthy, sun-kissed glow, even when it's really nasty outside. Just a few sweeps of this bronzer with a big fluffy brush and you're golden. Literally. Who writes these things? Anyway, so this is really pretty. It is really pretty. I like it. Very, very nice. Okay, enough of that. Next, okay, I want to pull out this lipstick. It looks like this is a lipstick. It's called Finding Ferdinand. That's what it says on here. And this is like some really cute packaging. Let me take a look and see. It says the color is Knob Hill Red. So red lipstick. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this. This is some interesting packaging. And this is the color. So yeah, it's just like a really pretty red shade. So this is a close-up look on this lipstick. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. It looks like a gorgeous red shade. Okay, Finding Ferdinand lipstick in Knob Hill. Value $30. This classic red lip shade earns a prime spot in your purse. An ideal pop of sophisticated color that pulls any look together in an instant. And no more messy spills. The pop in and out feature will keep your bag pristine, even if it falls to the bottom. Okay, so that's kind of why, because the top goes on kind of interestingly when you push it. Okay, I see. So you push it in and then you push it to get it out, kind of like an ink pen, so it stays put and then it pops out. So that's kind of cool. I like that little design on there. Very, very neat. Okay, next I have here something from Hanalei Sugar Lip Scrub. So very nice. I love lip scrubs because especially during the winter and fall, you know, your lips get a little dry, get a little crusty. It's nice to use a lip scrub to kind of soften them up, remove that dead skin. So let's see what it says about this. Hanalei Sugar Lip Scrub, value $25. This is a really nice size, you guys. Very, very decent size. Who wouldn't rather be sitting on a beach right now? Made with real Maui sugar crystals and pure kukui nut oil from Hawaii, Hanalei's lip scrub leaves your lips feeling baby soft while sending you, mentally at least, off to Hawaiian Islands minus the jet lag. Very, very nice. So that's cool. This is gonna last me forever because you know, you really don't need to use that much scrub on your lips. So this is really going to last me a very long time. And did I say this retails for $25? I guess it's because it's from Hawaii, right? Okay, next. Oh my, I got a brush. Y'all know I'm a brush freak, okay? Let me tell y'all something. Over the last 2 weeks, I think I have ordered about 7 new brush sets. That's ridiculous, okay? Because Lord knows I don't need any new brushes, but I'm a brush freak. So I have ordered a lot of brushes, and so you're probably going to get a brush video soon. Because y'all know I like to share with you guys what I bought, just in case you want to see it, hear about it, whatever. So yeah, I'm a brush freak. Anyway, this is from It Cosmetics. Very, very nice. And this looks like a foundation brush. Let me take a look. I like this cute little case that it comes in too. Very, very cute. Okay, so yeah, it is a flat top foundation brush. I love it. It looks gorgeous. And I really haven't been able to try any brushes from It Cosmetics. I think I see them all the time and I really want to try them out, but I'm cheap, y'all. And it's funny because we're cheap with whatever we want to be cheap with, because you know we'll go and complain about a $10 brush. At least I will. I'll complain about a $10 brush, but then I'll go and buy a Pat McGrath palette. So make it make sense, okay? Anyway, It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flat Top Buffing Foundation Brush, value $48. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about. Okay, now $48? Come on, y'all. Is it that good? Is it that good? I guess I'm gonna find out, huh, if it's that good. For $48, this thing better make me look like I'm airbrushed and I just jumped out of Essence magazine, okay, for $48. That's a lot of money. Anywho, it says you don't need an entire drawer of makeup brushes when you have one that does it all. Okay, now they're trying to explain the price. Not only does it give liquid products an airbrushed finish, it blends powders like a dream. Okay, so it's supposed to be good for everything. So that's not too bad. It is a gorgeous brush though. I really like this. Would I pay $48 for it? No, but hey, I'm glad I got it. Okay, I got one more item, you guys. Okay, one more item. And this one is a palette. Okay, I better get a palette in here for $27. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this up. This is the Tarte Dream Big palette. Now, this is a really cute palette, you guys. Of course, it has this beautiful gold packaging, and it has some little bow and arrows, or little arrows on the package. I don't know, I'm trying not to get the glare too much, but this is really cute. Okay, I like that. It's pretty. Now, let me open this up so you can see it. Oh, it opens up sideways. Okay, got my little plastic flying out. Oh, this is pretty. Now, Tarte is a brand that I think I've purchased maybe 2 or 3 of their palettes, because typically their palettes don't wow me, because you guys know I'm into color. But this palette is actually really pretty. Let me go ahead and give you a closer look. That's really, really pretty. I mean, the colors in here, I can see it making a very nice, soft, sultry type look. I like it. It's gorgeous. And when it comes to packaging, you guys know that Tarte is second to none. So, and it smells good too. There's, you know, their stuff smells like cocoa or vanilla or something. But it smells good too, you guys. Okay, so let me give you the information on this Tarte palette. Okay, so it says Tarte Double Duty Dream Big Eyeshadow Palette retails for $30. Okay. Get your glam on the go. Pop this pocket-sized palette with 6 metallic and 2 matte shades in your purse to dress up your peepers before RSVPing to any last-minute party plans. So, like I said, this retails for $30, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I really like this. I'm really not into small eyeshadow palettes. I know a lot of people like them because it can be a lot easier to do an eye look. You don't have to think so much when you have like 30 shades or whatever. Very simple, because you can only use certain shadows for certain areas of your eyes. So you can really create a beautiful look easily with a palette like this. I like larger palettes because I like options. That's the only reason. I'm an option freak. But this is really cute. I like it. So that retails for $30. Okay. So do I think this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is worth the $27 that I paid for it? I mean, honestly, with all the products that I got, I would have to say yes, because all of these products are very expensive products. So it's definitely worth the $27 I paid for it. Now, the real question is, do I want to pay $27 for a monthly subscription bag of surprises? You know, stuff where I might like it, I might not like it. You know, I do it with BoxyCharm, because BoxyCharm has a pretty good history of products that they send out. Now with Ipsy, I'm not too sure. So yeah, is it worth $27? Of course, obviously it is. Do I want to pay that just because of the fact that it's more than my BoxyCharm? Yeah, no, I don't. I really don't. But you know, of course y'all know I'm gonna get it again next month, because I gotta see what's popping. Okay, I have to see what's gonna come. So you know, I'll give them a few months, see if I really get comfortable paying $27 for a monthly subscription. I don't know. And you know, next month my bank account is gonna get hit real hard, because you know I gotta get the Boxy Lux. So I'm gonna have a Boxy Lux next month and the Ipsy Glam. Okay, it's gonna be a hot mess. I know one thing, next month better be a real good month though. So anyway, enough of me running my mouth as usual, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.